Hi, Nang Fe. Hi, Nang Esper. The hills are alive with the sound of music. Makadungog gani ko aning kantahan ang no? I will always remember the choir. And the first person I always remember in the choir, you both, Nang Fe and Esper. Without you, we will not become a choir. It's truly, si Father Batuktoy, si Father Tan, they sow the seeds for us. Pero, the one who brought us up, na mahimog yun ang choir, kamot yun. So, I'm always very, very proud to be part of it. I'm no longer a hill, but I'm a mountain of the sound of music. My wish for you, both on this special day in your life, is the very, very, very big and the very, very, very best and much, much, much blessings, health, and safe, and more years to come. Happy birthday, Nang Fe, Nang Esper. Enjoy your day.